Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to this live stream on 26th of March, 10 p.m. only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So, I welcome you all into this particular live stream. Just tell me out everyone that how are you people doing now? How are you all? And how is the day gone for you people? And things like that. Just tell me out everyone. Okay. So yeah, tell me out everyone, how are you all doing? How's the day going and everything? Very good evening, Kevin. Very good evening. Good to have you here in this particular live stream. Great, great, great. Fine, so very good to have you all here into this particular live stream today on 26th of March onto the channel Fun with Data Science. So might be from the trailer you might have already guessed out that what are we gonna do and things like that. But I would just disclose the main project of ours in a very short while. Okay, yeah, so very yeah, hi Pinks and welcome to this particular live stream. Good to have you here. Very good evening IDK, welcome to have you here in this particular live stream. Yeah, hi Saroj, very good evening, welcome to this particular live stream. Very good to have you here. Great. So good to have you all here in this particular live stream, guys. Very good to have you all here. Right. So actually, there are some of the people, some members, who generally join all of my live streams. So I'm actually very happy to see that you people are joining onto the like onto very deep basis to the live streams, learning some things, making up some projects. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, Kevin, very good to hear that out. Very good to hear that you're excited. Saroj, I am using up the PyCharm IDE. Okay, Saroj, I am using up the PyCharm IDE. Now, you can use any IDE of your choice. Let's say you want to use Jupyter Notebooks or Visual Studio Code, Spider, right? Any you can choose out according to you. But the one which I am using, that's the PyCharm Saroj. And if you want to download and install, you want to look over the procedure regarding installation and everything, so just check out the description of the live stream. There I had put up two links. So one is for the Python installation and the thing, so you can just refer up that particular link and you could install that onto your devices. Okay. Okay. IDK, sorry, by the way, my name is okay, Akash, sure. I might remember and call you Akash from the next time. Okay, great. Pinks, you changed the time, that's why I missed many live projects. Yeah, Pinks, yeah, right, Pinks, I just changed up the time because I had put up a poll over my LinkedIn as well, and you were here as well onto the community. So maximum votes had gone for Saturday 10 p.m. So that is why Pinks I changed up the timings, but I guess I had informed onto the community tabs, and regularly I was posting up the shorts, the videos. Might you had missed out, Pinks, but no worries, the videos are already onto my channel, Pinks. You can go out there and practice up those projects, and from further you can join onto the same time, that is 10 p.m. Saturday. Okay, great. But yeah, good to see that you find out the correct time and finally you are here in this particular live stream. Great to have you here. Okay, wonderful guys, wonderful. Right, so I guess we can actually start in for today's project, that what are we gonna make up, and what sort of project it is gonna be, and the particular things. Okay, so today again I will be making up a Tkinter project. Okay, into that We'll be using up the GUIs from the Tkinter and doing up some cool stuffs. But exactly the name of the project is Lyrics Extractor. So what you are going to do is that today you'll be making up a GUI lyrics extractor. So it means that you can put up any respective name of the song and you will get the lyrics of that particular song. Right, so this is how it's particularly gonna be today's project. So sounds interesting and fun, right? So yes, it's gonna be that much fun and that much interesting while coding as well. Okay, so great. So I'll be starting up this particular thing for today's project. But before that, I have one thing, that if you haven't subscribed out my channel up till now, so guys, please go ahead, subscribe out my channel and even share up this live stream with your friends, so that if they want, they can as well join in and get some understandings regarding making up some Python projects, adding them into their resumes. Right, so you can just share this with your friends and subscribe out the channel. Okay. Okay, great. So we will be starting in for this particular today's video. Okay, sorry, not the video, it's a live stream actually. Fine, no worries. Let's get started in here. So I would zoom in actually a little bit so that whatever I write you'll be able to check out. Yeah, we can start it out from here. Zad, the project name today is gonna be your lyrics extractor. So Zad, in that case, what's gonna happen, that you'll be making up a GUI lyrics extractor. You'll be writing it down name of the song, and it will help you to get the lyrics of that particular song. Okay, so this is the particular project regarding today. Right, so let's move forward here. So my okay, again I will divide up my project into the 3 parts. My first part is gonna be the importing of my libraries, and my second part is gonna be making up the layout of my complete GUI, and my third one be defining up my main function. Right, these will be my 3 parts. So let's start on with the very first part, and that's I will be writing and importing up my libraries for today. Great, so I'll be starting it from here. I'll be writing up that from Tkinter. From Tkinter, I am gonna import up asterisk. Oh, what's that actually meant out? So listen me out now. See, Tkinter is a GUI library. Whenever you want to make up some GUI apps, or whenever you want to make up some games and sort of things like that, you use the Tkinter, right? Yes. Now the line which I didn't mention it up here, that from Tkinter import asterisk, it means that asterisk means that I am going to import up all of the functions with the help of the Tkinter library. Right, so from the Tkinter library, I'm going to import up all of my functions. Right, that's the meaning of my very first line. Now second, I'm going to write up that from lyrics underscore extractor. From lyrics extractor, I'm gonna import up song lyrics. Now lyrics extractor is one library. So yes, you did need to install up this particular library onto your devices. So for that, you're gonna use up the command, that's pip install lyrics extractor. Write this particular command onto a command prompt, or whatever you just like want to use that out. Just use that particular command, or wherever the command prompt, or you're having attached a terminal onto the IDEs, whatever you just want to use that out. Right, and then further you can install that onto your devices. Right, so guys, just let me know that am I clear with the importing of the libraries to everyone? Am I clear that how the libraries and which are the libraries which we need to import? Am I clear with that particular thing? Okay, Akash, ma'am, does importing all functions for model can we make code slower? No, not like that, Akash. Actually, in Tkinter, when you write Tkinter import asterisk, it doesn't import all the functions, Akash. It imports some functions like the label the buttons, some entry box, some general functions only it imports up Akash. Okay, now if you want to use any fun other different sort of project module of function from the tkinter only, then again manually you have to import that out. So whenever I am writing from tkinter import asterisk, so it's only on generally importing up the functions, some functions for me, some 2 3 4 5 functions, okay, not more than that. Okay, Pinks, thanks for the confirmation. Pinks, thank you so much for the confirmation. Great. Now it's a time for making up my tkinter window. So it's tk underscore window, my variable, and I'm gonna make up capital T, small k. So this capital T and small k, what's that about? So this is my function which allows me, which helps me to make up my tkinter window. This is the particular function, okay? Great. Getting down, I'm gonna set up a background color. So it will be tk underscore window, window dot. I'll be giving this as config function configure, and into the bracket I can set up my background color as red. Okay, now background color depends on to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do according to your choice. I do not have any restrictions over that. Right, so yeah, here we made out our tkinter window, we made out the background, and I'm gonna write up tk underscore main loop. Now what's that actually about? Okay, Akash, oh, that's the reason we have to import message box separately. Yes, absolutely perfect, Akash. Yes, that is the respective reason, Akash, that you have to import that message box separately. Because in some only and only general functions only, it imports only some general functions for you, not all the functions. Right. You got that particular point. Akash. Good to see that. Great. So yeah, at last I'm going to write up here tk underscore window dot main loop. What's that sort of program? See, in all of my live streams, I especially used to focus upon this particular last line. Right, so if you are following me from some starting live stream, so you must have got the idea that what's that main loop about. But let's say some of you are new here, so I could give you the idea that this main loop is a sort of function that if you are not gonna add up this particular function at the complete last of your program, you won't be able to see your output. Okay, you really won't be able to see up your output. It might be the case that you do not have any errors into your program, but then as well, you won't be able to see your output. The reason is that because you haven't added the ending function. That's my main loop function. Okay. So make sure guys that you did have to add up this main loop function. It's pretty much compulsory for you to do so, right? Okay, great. Further, I did made up this particular thing. Now I'll be variable that will help me to take up some input from the user. So let's say that's R, and now I want the respective I just wanted the respective text from the user, the input from the user in the string format. See, the reason is the song name is gonna be into a string only. It can't be the integer or float, right? It is gonna be the string, the song name. So that's my reason that why I am just writing up here a string var, because I want to have the input from the user in the string format, right? So that's done. Now I'll be making up my label functions. So my very first label function is gonna be tk underscore window. First of all, I have to write up the variable into which I want my text to be printed. Okay, before that, let me tell you what is this label function about. So listen me out. Label function is a sort of, let's say, in normal Python programming language, whenever we have to write something onto our console, what we use? We use the print statement, right? And the same manner, whenever we did have to write anything onto the tkinter window, you have to use your label function. As in normal Python, you use a print statement for writing anything, right? In the same manner, in tkinter, you use the label function for writing anything over the tkinter window. So that's the complete idea, okay? So tk underscore window, comma, what's that text gonna be? So text is gonna be that I just want to write up in the form that enter the name of song. Okay, I want that in this particular format. Comma, what about the background color? So BG is my background color. Let's say I want it to be yellow. Okay. Next, what about my font? Let's put up some font here. So font will be my, let's say it will be Arial. Size it's gonna be 20. I want that to be in the bold, right? That's done. Dot, I'm gonna use up a grid function. So grid will allow me to add up my text and add up my things onto the row, onto the row and the column basis. Okay. Okay, that's Akash. I really forgot take into, just didn't use from last one year. Okay, no worries, Akash. Might today when you will do up this particular coding, might remember that previous take into which you were used to use that onto your own, right? Might remember this today. Great. So this dot grid function, right? Dot grid. Now inside that grid, I'm gonna use up some row value. So my value of the row is gonna be 0 only. And sticky means that on which side like you want up the thing. So I just write down here W. Okay, that's done. Get down, new line. Right, so the label function is actually being added up here. Let me get up a CEO. 1 second. Varma Gokul. Hi ma'am, your explanation was so nice. Thank you so much Gokul. That's Gokul, yeah, Varma Gokul, thank you so much. I'm glad that you liked up the explanation. I'm glad to have that. Thank you so much. Great. So yeah, this particular label has been done. That's enter up the name of the song. Now, next what do I have to do is that I will be writing up the next thing. My next label is gonna be again the take enter window. Okay, comma. Now, what about text that I want to write up here? My text is gonna be here the lyrics. So what I would do actually is that I will be making up a take enter window. Inside that, one more small box is gonna appear, and in that small box only you will be able to check out the lyrics. This is how it's gonna be. So first of all, I just want to display up a text that is lyrics, comma. Now about the background color and the things, I can put up the BG again as, let's say, yellow. Okay, it depends on to you whatever you want to do. Right. I can do it for the font according to my choice. Let's say okay Akash, okay, sure, you can join from your actual account. So yeah, here is my Arial. Okay, comma, here we are having the size as 3 and thus that's the bold. Okay, great, separated by a comma, get down. Now this all of the things have been done out. Yeah, Akash, that's better. Yeah, right, now good. Now I won't forget your name. Okay, great. So this text lyrics has been done yellow, and what I would do is that let me take this down from you, and let me take this bracket up only. Fine, and yeah, like this. Fine, background is done, this is done, this is done. I can simply add up my grade now. So for my grade, my row is gonna be the 3, and sticky, I'm gonna do that as W. Okay, great. This label is done. Completely done. Right, now I'll be making up my third label, and third label is gonna display me the result, final result. So again, that's gonna be my take enter window, comma, what's my text? So that's text. So text is gonna be equal to yeah, it will be result like that. Not like that, my text variable I'm gonna put up. Text variable is equal to R. Now what's that text variable about? So that's about like adding up this particular R, right? Remember, I just did take up the input from the user here. So in the same manner, I'm adding up that text variable here as R, right? Now separated by a comma, I'm going to set up some background color. Let's say that's my light pink, okay? Comma, I can set up some FG color. FG means my font color, okay? Like that I could set it as black, let's say. But yeah, by default it's black only. But if I want, I can do that, okay? Now right away I can set up the font. So font again is gonna be the same. 1 second, it's gonna be my Arial. Then the size is gonna be the same. Let's say it's gonna be 10, and then it's gonna be here like bold. Okay, it's gonna be the bold. And now further after that, what I'm gonna do, I can get up some grid values. Programming tick. The project name is Lyrics Extractor. GUI Lyrics Extractor. Okay, that's the project name. So yeah, dot grade, and inside that I'm gonna add up the value for the row. That's 3. I'm gonna add up the value for the column. Let's say that's 2, and I can provide this as a sticky value like as W. Great. So my labels have been completely made out here. Right, now I just want up a confirmation from you people. Guys, am I clear up till this particular place to each and every one of you regarding whatever I have written and what functions I did use and why I am using up those respective things? Am I clear up till this particular place, everyone? And yeah, okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay. Great. Fine. Now I could just move in forward here, downside, and then we can just proceed on for the things for now, right? We can just proceed on for the things. Okay, right. So now it's the time for my proceedings, and now I'm gonna make up that entry box. So small e is equal to entry. Entry is actually a sort of box, guys, into which you make up the things, into which you can write up anything. Okay, that is the entry box. So entry, putting up the brackets, I'm gonna make up this tk underscore window, comma, I'm gonna set up a width for that. Let's say it's 50. Okay. Okay, Pinks, okay. Great, thank you so much for the confirmation, Prince, Pinks, Akash. I really started 1 year ago data science and then learned NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Flask, and Scala, but never feel better because I knew bad maths. Okay, Akash, in that case, I can refer you that once, check out the videos for the mathematics which I'm having onto my channel, Akash, okay? Once check the statistics and probability videos which I have onto the channel. They can help you out, Akash, for feeling up a little bit more confident at mathematics, right? Hope that helps you out. Okay, Akash, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, so with that, it set it as, let's say something. Now I can set it up a background color as well if I want. So let's say my BG color is white for that. Okay, and I could, my font color FG is my, let's say it's the black. Okay, it's BLACK like that. Okay, comma, I can add up a font here, comma, font is gonna be the same. I really do not want different types of fonts to be onto my project. That is the reason I never add up different types of fonts. But yeah, guys, if you want, you can add those things accordingly. Right, that's done. And now it's a time for e.grid. I'm gonna set up some grid values. So the value for the row is gonna be the 0. And the value for the column is gonna be the 2. So row is 0, column is 2. Okay, Akash, most welcome in that case, most welcome. 1 second. Great. So this entry box is actually being done up here. Now further I'm having up my buttons to be made out, right? My button. So B is equal to, button is one of my other functions which I'm having. Right, and here I'm going to write up tk underscore window, comma. What's the text that I want it to be printed up here? So I want the text to be printed up like show. Okay, this show text I wanted to print it, so that's done. Comma, what's my command? Command I'm going to write up afterwards, not right away. I could set up a background color. So let's say my background color is light blue. Okay, and what about my comma? I'm going to set up a font thing as well. So font can be my, again, that's my same as Arial, comma 20, comma, it's gonna be the bold. Okay, that's done. Right, and now I can simply write up b.grid, okay, And into the bracket, I can simply put up the values of the row is my 0. Okay, what about my column? My column value is, let's say, 3. Okay, my column span. My column span is, let's say, 2. I want to do up some PADX values, so let's say that's 5. And I want to do some PADY values, so that's, let's say, again 5. And yes, here I completed up my second part of my complete program, complete project, and that's defining and designing of all of these particular things, right? Programming tech with screen recorder you used, Akash Yadav. I think OBS or else meet myself using OpenCV. Okay, programming tech, I use up the screen recorder which is screen rec. Okay, generally I use the OBS for my UPSC videos onto my channel, which is UPSC with Shambhavi. That's my other channel as well. Okay, so for that I use up my OBS for recording the videos for UPSC with Shambhavi, and for Fun with Data Science I use up the screen recorder, screen rec. Yeah, Akash, at once out of time you guessed it right. That's the OBS I'm using for my other channel. Okay, right. Fine. Right, so now guys we can move, yeah. Oh, okay, I just wanted a confirmation from you people. Am I clear up to this particular place, whatever we did had written up here? I can increase the font a little, yeah, this much increase will work out. Right, so yeah, am I clear everyone? Okay, let's move forward. Now what do I have to do? I have to make up a function. So I'm gonna give up some space here, and my function is div t underscore lyric. Okay, t underscore lyric, and like that. Okay, Akash. Okay, great. Lyric and the brackets like that, putting up the colon and then getting down. Okay. Now inside that I'm gonna make up a variable. Let's say L1. Okay, L1. So now into that I'm going to use up that same function, that is song lyrics. Okay, that same function I'm going to use and put up the brackets. Now guys, actually there are some things which are needed up here. That is now what you have to do. You have to go onto the Google and you have to search regarding some respective websites from where you can extract up the lyrics. Okay, you can search about some websites from where you can extract up the lyrics. Now from that particular websites you have to find up the key and the you have to find the key and the API. Listen me out very carefully everyone. You have to go onto the Google search for the lyrics extractor websites. There you will be getting up some websites. From any of the website, there is one Google developer website as well. Either from there as well you can generate up a key and a API for that. Right, now into that the email IDs and all the things are actually asked to enter. So that is the reason I'm just not demonstrating that right away here, because if I share up my email ID, so you people like any one of you can start sharing up the emails to me right away like that. So but yeah, so that is the reason I'm just not showing that away right here. But yeah, I'm just telling you the procedure. Go onto the Google, they write about lyrics extractor things. And then what you could do is that you can simply get up the respective API and the key from there, and you can simply extract that out. Shivam ma'am, please suggest some websites for lyrics. Yeah, Shivam, you can refer some Google developer. There is one Google developer once as well. You could refer that only, okay? Or simply, Shivam, what you could do is simply you could just write up there lyrics extractor website, and you will get n number of remembering of the name is not that much easy for me, but yeah, one I remember that is of the Google developer itself. Okay, Rich, you can just Google that out for you. Okay, yeah, hope that works out. Akash, it's better now I'm use BS4. Beautiful soup. Yeah, you can use Akash. That's as well one method which you can prefer out. But yeah, Akash, generally it happens that many people are here now who are not aware of web scraping. Right, so that is a respective way, that the reason that why I haven't used up that BS for you. Okay, that is my actual exact reason. Okay, Shivam. So for me, I had already extracted up these particular things. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this up. Just time live. Yeah, Piyush, right away. We have changed up the time, Piyush. I guess from the last 3 to 4 streams, the time has been changed, Piyush. Now the time is this 10 p.m. on Saturday nights. 10 p.m. Saturday nights. Previously, we did used to have it on Sundays, right? Sundays 5 p.m. Yeah, but time has been changed, Piyush. Okay, great, great, great. So the key and the values I was having, so I just had put out all those respective things. Okay, right. So now you can extract that and put that onto your own. Or what you could do is that after the live stream gets over, I could add up some links onto the description and you can refer those links from there. That can as well work out, guys. Okay, that can as well work out for you people. Great. So hope you all have done up till this particular place. Now I will make up a variable, let's say that's A, and I'm going to write up L1 dot. I'm going to use up get underscore lyrics. This particular function I'm going to use out. Let me try to make a free API for that. It might help everyone. Yeah, sure, Akash. If you can make up a free API for everyone, Akash, that would be very, very, very helpful. Yeah, sure. Great to see that people are helping each other in the live streams as well. So yeah, great to see that out, everyone. Fine. So this get underscore lyrics function, you have to add it up here. Now, you have to convert that into the string. Like whatever you are having, you will convert all of the things into the string, str. Okay. Now, inside that, I'm going to use up that variable, which is E. Now, what's that E? E, we made it down here. We use up this entry box here, right, for the E. So, okay, Kevin. So, E dot, and I'm going to use up the get. So, whenever you want to extract something, whenever you want to receive something, you use this get function. For extracting, for receiving something, for gathering something, it's necessary for you to use up this particular get function. Okay, so yeah, that's done. And now I'm going to make up a new variable, let's say that's B. And I'm going to make up the A as well. And inside that, I'm going to write up here the lyrics. Okay, let's get down and I'm going to set up here R dot. I'm going to use up the set and into that I'm going to write up this B. Great. So yeah, this is how you have to define up this particular portion of the lyrics extracting. Simply you have to use up this get lyrics function. Right, with the get function here you have to use and you have to write that what are you extracting? You're extracting the lyrics. So that's done. And simply you have to write in set B. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to call up this particular function in my button. Okay, so putting up a command function here is equal to, and my function name is T underscore lyric. But make sure to remember one thing. Do not put the brackets here. Do not put the brackets while calling your function inside the command. Okay, I hope I am making up the things clear to you people, guys, that you do not have to add up these particular things like brackets here in the function calling onto the command option. Right, you do not have to do that at all. Right, so yeah, these are the things which you can do up here onto your O, or you can just simply write up these particular things. Right, so I just wanted a confirmation from everyone that, guys, am I clear up till this particular place to each and every one of you? What had we done? What are the things that we have written? Everything, am I clear, everyone? Because my complete project has been done. Because now I'll be showing you the output of this particular program. It was a short program, short Python project. So just wanted a confirmation from you people. Am I clear? Shall we proceed towards the running of my final project? Hi Rishabh, welcome to this live stream, Rishabh. Okay, Kevin, let's proceed to the further output of our program. So I'm simply going to run up this particular project from here. And let's see, we'll be getting up the output. Okay, So see what I'm getting up this particular sort of, it's asking me to enter the name of a song. Okay, let's say I am entering up a name of a song. Let's say it's a somewhat like this particular one. Okay, and I'm gonna click over the show button. So now let's have a look at what it is showing. So see, it showed me the complete song for this particular title which I am having here. Okay, Pinks, thanks for the confirmation. See, I just simply wrote up the name of the song, that let's say Meri Maan. So it is simply extracting me all the lyrics. You can match that as well. The lyrics are absolutely the perfect ones, which should be actually there, the exact ones. Right, so yeah, into this particular manner you can make. Now let's say I just want to add another song. Let's say it's okay, right, and I'm gonna click over the show button once again. So see, it simply changed up the song for me right away here, so I do not have to close up my program and then rerun this or the things like that. It simply had demonstrated up me this particular program right away here like this only. Right, so yeah, it's giving me that particular program. So now guys, you can you can write up any program of your particular choice. You can run that out. You can extract up the lyrics of that particular program according to your choice as soon as you wish out. Right, so hope I am pretty much clear with this particular project with everyone. I hope I'm pretty much clear with this particular one, that what did we do here, what were the things that we added and all the things. Right, now I just wanted to make up a one announcement that right away I had made up a community post. Okay, right, today evening only I had made up a community post. So just go everyone over my community section and look over that particular post. There's something for you people. Answer that question. And the particular video for that particular thing is gonna come up tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Right, so stay tuned. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. a very big surprise is coming for you all. Okay, that surprise was possible because of you people only. So you people should get the very first surprise only. So yeah, it's coming up tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Sunday morning 10 a.m. Watch that out everyone tomorrow morning. Okay, only onto the channel Fun with Data Science. And with that, I am having up a one more channel, that's UPSC with Shambhavi. So here, if anyone who wants to prepare for civil services or anyone who wants to go for the government jobs, so he or she can go ahead and subscribe at this particular channel of mine. Here you will be getting up the complete ideas, complete knowledge regarding the civil preparations and the government job preparations and everything, right? So you can subscribe out this channel, even refer that to your friends as well. So now let me get back to my PyCharm here. So just wanted to know if anyone is having any questions regarding whatever we had done up so far into this particular live streams. Any questions guys? And don't forget to watch up that community post of mine which I had posted up today evening only. Okay, go over the community and check up that particular post. Oh, great Pinks, great. I'm really happy that it's working out for you. Wonderful Pinks, wonderful, really wonderful. Very happy for you. Great, nice, wonderful everyone. Okay, so fine, thank you so much everyone for attending this particular live stream. If you haven't subscribed out my channel, so please go ahead, subscribe out my channel, even refer that to your friends, and stay tuned for tomorrow morning 10 a.m. a very big surprise is coming for you all. Stay tuned tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Okay, most welcome Kevin. Thank you so much everyone for joining in this particular live stream. I was very happy to have you all here, and now we will meet next Saturday again, same time 10 p.m. in the night with a new Python project here, right? Coding section one, please, why you speak in Hindi why not you speak in Hindi language, as most of us are from India, so Hindi will be perfect for us for your channel growth. Coding section, see, Hindi is restricted for some areas, right? So some of the respective states are restricted with Hindi, right? But in complete India, we the English is continuously going on, right? So coding section, that's my reason that I am focusing upon this English. and that's the reason. And even my videos are being watched outside the country as well, outside the country. So that is my specific reason regarding using up the English, because many states are there in which Hindi is not working and people do not understand Hindi. So right, that's the respective idea. That's why English is one language which each and every person understands about, right? A little bit of English everyone understands. So that's my reason I'm continuing in English onto my channel. But yeah, thank you so much Coding Sixter for your suggestion. Surely I would think about that further. Thank you so much. Okay, Akash, sure. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining this particular live stream. Stay tuned for tomorrow morning. A big surprise is coming, 10 a.m. And now we'll see you all next Saturday, 10 p.m. again, same time, with a new Python project for everyone. Thank you so much for joining in this particular live stream, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll see you all in the next live stream. Thank you so much. I'm ending this ad. Bye bye everyone. Take care and have a nice weekend ahead, everyone. Akash, by the way, any tips to increase English skills? Okay, Akash, in that case, what I could suggest you is that you can simply try speaking about English more and more. You can simply try speaking and communicating in English only, Akash. Slowly and gradually you will gain a good knowledge in English. So slowly and gradually, Akash, you will gain good knowledge in English as well. Okay. Right. Okay, Akash. Okay, you can start speaking English and communicating and you will get up a good knowledge. So thank you so much everyone for joining in this particular live stream. Now we'll see you all next live stream, same time, 10 p.m. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. Have a nice weekend ahead. Have a nice weekend.